a documentary on Bahawalpur by Tourism Development Corporation of Punjab.
The city of sand, romance and mysticism, Bahawalpur. Located just 100 kilometers from Multan, Bahawalpur is now accessible via motorway. The historical city lies between Punjab and Sindh and is surrounded by Vihari, Lodra and Bahawalnagar. Bahawalpur is enriched with thousands of years of history and is home to the Indus Valley civilization. Ancient Buddhist sites such as the Patan Minara and the remains of the Harappan culture ranging from 4000 BC to 2000 BC have been discovered in this city. The Todheva kingdoms of the Mahabharata were also part of the legacy of this region. Archaeological evidence suggests that this desert area was once irrigated by the Hakra River. The river gave life to the mighty Indus Valley civilization around 600 BC. The state was founded by Nawab Muhammad Bahawal Khan Abbasi in 1802 and later merged into the province of West Pakistan on 14th October 1955. During their rule, the Nawabs had left a rich architectural legacy, shades of which can be seen in its monuments, which date from that period. Bahawalpur has some of the most historical and magnificent structures in Asia. It was part of a massive trade route which connected other regions. Noor Mahal, also known as the Palace of Lights, is a living example of the grandeur and majesty of the Nawabs of Bahawalpur. While Darbar Mahal, a typical fusion of East Indian and Arabic architectural techniques, mesmerizes the eye of the beholder with its bold design. Located at Dera Nawab Shah, Sadiqgarh Palace has been designed by Italian architects, while Gulzar Mahal has been built at the time of Nawab Sadiq Muhammad Khan IV. The architecture of the structure contains European influences and features the most delicate works of art. A huge treasury of ancient and rare books with rare manuscripts can be found at the Central Library. While standing proudly, the huge Tarawar Fort gives the impression of power like no other. It is the legacy of Raj Jajabhatti, a Hindu Rajput from Jaisalmer. The Tarawar Fort was also connected to other forts in Cholistan through a network of underground tunnels. Originally a replica of Moti Mosque in Delhi, Abbasid Mosque is made entirely out of white marble. The calligraphy, attention to detail, and decorative marble work leave the viewer in awe of the structure. The tomb of Bibi Jalwindi is one of the most elegant buildings in Uch Sharif. It is also on the tentative list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The aesthetical woodwork and the Multani architecture of the building is a sight to behold. The captivating history of Bahawalpur can be found at the Bahawalpur Museum, which is the bastion of culture and archaeological heritage of the region. It features art and traditional historical artifacts of Bahawalpur. Housing more than 700 different animal species, Bahawalpur Zoo was established in 1942 and is one of the best kept zoos in Pakistan. Bahawalpur is not just a city of architecture and forts, it has much to offer in terms of food, with Sikh kebabs and countless other delicacies giving an enriching experience for any food lover. Markets such as Chandi Market, Shahi Bazaar, Farid Gate are some of the most ancient in the region. They offer a unique experience where the past meets the present. Bahawalpur, the city of sand, mysticism and romance awaits you for a historical journey through time. Come, experience culture. Experience Bahawalpur.